Hello everyone, welcome to Aartigallery Interiors. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up doors and windows in Coohom. Begin by entering a project in Coohom's design tool, either by starting a new floor plan or opening an existing one. Locate the library in the left-hand panel. You will find a library of models. Look for the doors and windows section. Coohom uses a drag and drop system. Simply select the door or window model you want from the library and drag it onto a wall in your floor plan. The software will automatically snap the door or window into the wall. Place it at the desired location. Once you have placed a door or window, you can customize its property using the right side panel. You can manually adjust the dimensions of the model. This includes width, height, thickness, above ground. This is a crucial setting, especially for windows. It determines the height of the window sill from the floor. There is replace option also. You can change the style of door or window, example for a single door to a sliding door or a linear door window to a bay window. Coohom allows you to change the materials of various components such as door, window, frame, panels and handles. You can use the style and global style tools to do this. You can click and drop you can click and drag the door or window along the wall. Precisely position it. Use the flip function in the floating toolbar to change the orientation. This is particularly important for doors to control which way they swing open: left, right, flip, front, back, flip. This feature helps you ensure the door swing does not obstruct furniture or walkway. After placing and adjusting your doors and windows, switch to the 3D view to see how they look and function in the space. This is essential for visualizing natural light and the flow of room.